If you have a Fitbit Charge 2 with a cracked screen like this one or like this one, then GymTechDirect can repair this for you. As long as there's no physical faults with the Fitbit or the screen itself, then it's no problem. Just visit the link in the description to order the repair service and get your label to send the device over to us. We've repaired hundreds of Fitbits in the last 2 years of operating. You can see these ones over here are all ones that have just been repaired. I'll show you one that's actually on a band. This here has had a new glass put on it and it's absolutely immaculate. So it's gone from looking similar to this to looking like that. So visit the link in the description to order your repair service. Turnaround is really quick. As soon as we receive the item, we'll have it shipped out in the next 48 hours. Okay, so I've applied the new glass to these 10 here, and as you can see, I've just peeled the little screen protector off this one. It's clean as. I'll just take the protector off one of these so you can see it straight away as it is. It's a little hard to do one-handed. Completely clean, no cracks, no scratches, as if you got it out of the box.